Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Junction Impact. First, let's get you set up. The main goal is to connect various junction points on the map using track segments. You'll use simple controls to select and place these pieces, rotating them to fit perfectly. Take a moment to look at the different track types available. Each has a unique purpose. Understanding these basics will give you a strong start in building your network. Once you understand the basics, it's time to build. Your primary task is to strategically place track pieces to link all the designated junction points. Remember to rotate segments carefully to ensure a smooth and continuous flow across your network. Some advanced track types might have a cost, so managing your resources effectively is key to expanding your connections without running into trouble. Think ahead with each placement. As you progress, you'll want to optimize your connections. Always plan several steps ahead to avoid creating dead ends and to maximize the efficiency of your track layout. The game introduces special track pieces that are perfect for navigating complex routing challenges. You'll also encounter various environmental obstacles that require you to adapt your strategy, perhaps using a bridge or a tunnel. Smart planning makes a big difference. To achieve high scores in Junction Impact, focus on speed and efficiency. Completing your connections quickly often earns you valuable bonus points. Additionally, try to minimize the total length of your track for a higher efficiency score, which is crucial for top rankings. As you master these techniques and meet specific criteria, you'll unlock exciting new levels and more complex challenges, keeping the game fresh and engaging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.